I think we should get into Castleminer. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. And today I am playing Castleminer because last time we did episode 1. So now let's get straight to it. Alright, okay. Start. Okay, let's get in. So, yeah. It's loading. Alright. So, and you guys know that you should play Castleminer. I'll be like, hey, there's a game called Castleminer you wanna play? Okay, shut up. Cause I have some money. Yeah. This is Castleminer zombie game. Alright. Start. I'm just gonna have to exploration easy. Yeah, I'm gonna do normal. Start. New world. Let's get in. Whoa, it's a zombie. Good gosh. So, last time we mined a cave right here, so there's zombies everywhere. You reload. So this is where here's my house there. So yeah. So we need to make a weapons. We need laser SMGs. So we need laser rifle. So we need 5 space goo, diamonds, 6 diamonds, and iron. I need some iron. Yes. So how about let's just make a glass so the zombie cannot break the glass. So we need some bulletproof glass. Bulletproof glass. We need 10 sand, coal, I need some iron. So let's get some coal real quick. And okay. Oh, sorry about the mic. So we need loads of coal. Got this coal. So I have a new channel. Go check it out. My channel. It's called Holos. That I make Castleminer videos, but I made challenge and gaming videos. But go subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell button below. And yeah, go subscribe to my second channel. Hit that subscribe button and that bell button and that like button below. So now we need some sun. This is what I call it. And I get also. Also apologize, my keyboard and mouse is like better things. So yeah. But I do like them. Just get annoying sometimes. Yeah. Now that's enough sand. Now we need to make bulletproof glass. I'm gonna have to put this here. guys. So we need to go to Bloodstone so you can find some, so you can kill the boss. We need to kill the boss. No, oops. Oh, I ran. Now, need to. Okay, there's some wood. There we go. So, now I need to put bulletproof glass. Now for my door, we can use for ease. So go check it out, popular videos, because in 2019, old videos, but I made candy videos in popular uploads. I just did 2 years ago in a separate video, but I just did 2 years ago in the vlog video. So yeah. So here it is. Bulletproof glass. Put it right there. Alright, let's go find some bloodstone so I can end the video here. Put that on. Let's just try this one here. So I've already got a pistol, but it's garbage. Yeah, the pistol is very garbage. So I got SMG gun for this. So let's just go ahead. And I think I'll play this online and people in. Yep, there's a skeleton right there. So I gotta find some bloodstone, which is really good. But you can mine bloodstone with the diamond pickaxe, not the iron pickaxe. You can mine with the diamond pickaxe, or you can mine the bloodstone pickaxe. Almost good. Goodbye, sir. Oh, is that a dragon? Okay, we're gonna defeat a dragon. So we need to go here. So we've already got an 8. Alright. So we got some loot down. So we're gonna go home and end the video here. So I'm gonna have to quit the game and come back in. So maybe tomorrow. So guys, that is it for today's video, and I hope you liked it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button below. Bye.